Hello friends, I welcome to all of you on my new YouTube video. In this video I am going to discuss about how you can convert delta to star and star to delta conversion. Suppose this left one is a delta form and right one is in the star form. Here this is delta actually and this is star. So suppose some resistor are connected in delta formation and we need to convert into star for the simplification of the circuit. So what is the formula for that? It is listed here actually. Suppose we have a star value RA, RB, RC and we convert it into delta, so that is R1, R2, R3. So what is the relation between R1 among RC, RA, RB, RBC and R2 with RA, RB, RC and R3 with RA, RB, RC. So here you can see RA equal to RA, RB, RB, RC. But how you can remember this? This is the most important thing. So what you will do, just draw a star inside this. This is RA, this is RB and this is RC. Dear student, you want to convert here. Suppose we want to find out value of R1. So R1 equal to the upper portion. Numerator should be same for all. You have to remember this RA, RB plus RB. Only problem that what the value of denominator. So for R1, the opposite resistor of star of R1 is RC. You can see. So the denominator will be RC for R1. Now if we talk about R3, the opposite resistor in star for R3 is RA. So here you can see denominator is RA. The numerator is same, but only denominator you have to remember. For that, this is the way through which you can remember this formula from star to delta. Now in other case, delta to star, how you can remember? Delta to star. Again redraw inside star. We have to find out this. This is RC actually. We have to find out this RB and we have to find out RA. So for suppose we have to find out RC. For RC we have to multiply this two adjacent resistor R1, R2 and R3. For RC, R2 and R3 and divide by addition of individual resistor R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 plus R2 plus R3. So for RC we have to multiply individual. For RA we have to multiply adjacent R2 and R1. So we can check there. RA equal to R2 into R1. Yes, right. And a lower one is denominator will be same for all addition of individual resistors. Suppose we have to check for RB. RB means what? This resistor. And we have to multiply R3 and R1 because these two resistors are adjacent resistor. So with this method you can easily remember star to delta and delta to star conversion. Because I found many students forgot, they mix up. Okay, so don't mix up, just do it. Now one more thing, if suppose Ra equal to Rb plus Rc, put here Ra equal to Rb into Rc. So what you will get, you will see that all resistor will cancel out, only three will be changed. Suppose all is 1, so you will get R1 is equal to 3. R1 equal to 3. But suppose all resistors are same, so 3 into R, what value is given here? If in the case of here star, the delta resistor is same, then put here R square upon 3R. So 1 by 3. r r equal to what? r equal to r by 3. So in delta case, this is multiplication of 3 with register of star. In star case, this is division by 3 with delta register. Okay, so this is the way through which we can remember the formula. Now we will talk about one question based on this. This is a question actually. What they are asking in this question? Let's consider a delta connection of registers and its equivalent star connection. This is delta, their equivalent is star. Are scaled by factor k of all element of delta. Actually, Ra, Rb, Rc. This is small one is scaled by factor k. Suppose it become KRA, KRB, KRC. Now they are asking that the register of star will be scaled by which factor. So we need to formula delta to star. We should know the formula. So what is the R? First let me draw. Suppose we are not remember that formula. We don't know formula. So in that case, what we will do? Ra, Rb, Rc. Okay. Now again, which connection is this? Is Rc here, like this is connected like this. Let me connect it, this. Okay. Ra means what? Ra means this one, Rb, Rc. So what will be value of Ra? Ra equal to, I told you, a multiplication of adjacent register. A small Ra into small Rb divide by addition of individual R1 Ra plus Rb plus Rc. Any issue? Okay, no issue. Now put the value of all register with k. So upper one will be k square and lower will be 3k. So k will devise. Let me suppose Ra equal to, upper one will be k square because 2 are register, lower one will be 3k. So k 1k will be cancel out. K by 3 will be of your register. So our answer will scale with, our answer will in this answer what we will get, k square k. No, let me draw it again. What is Ra actually? Ra equal to Rb Rc, Rb into Rc divide by Ra plus Rb plus Rc. This is the formula. Now what they are saying? They are saying all element of delta are scaled by k. So the element of star. So what is that? The elements of the corresponding star equivalent will scale by factor. So Ra, this is the actually your star register. Now put here k, 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 k. So what you will get? Everything should be left. Not, this is not talking about Ra equal to Rb, Rb equal to Rc. K square will be outside and k will be outside. So k will cancel. So it will scaled by k factor and remaining will be same. This is the way. Actually previous one was not good way, because in previous one we have assumed that Ra equal to Rb equal to Rc. It is not given in this question, so I am not considering that. K square will be outside, here k will be outside, k will cancel out, only k will be left, so it will scaled by k. So B option will be correct. Okay. So here in this lecture I will discuss till now and later in another video I will discuss two more questions of GATE examination that is most important for the 2025 GATE examination. So be connected and like, subscribe, support this channel also. Okay, thank you so much.